Bum, bum, bum. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a bunch of thumbnails very quick and easy. So you can see I've made tons of thumbnails over the last couple days, and they're all much better than the thumbnails I used to make. So how do we do it? So it's really easy. You got to use vidIQ. They have a free version, but if you get the paid version, you can do unlimited thumbnails. So go to vidIQ. There's a link below this video. Connect your YouTube account, and then go to create. And you're going to go to create thumbnails, which is where I am right now. And once you're at create thumbnails, first thing you want to do is create your likeness. And so your likeness is, you just click down here, it says create new likeness, and then you're going to upload 10 to 20 clear photos of the same person. So if it's you, great. If it's somebody else, 10 to 20 clear photos. And I'll show you photos I took so you can see. So just took a bunch of photos, and this is one of the AI versions. You can see, oh, you can't see, a bunch of screenshots. Just went through Facebook, screenshotted my face a bunch of times. So you create your likeness, you upload it, and then you click continue, and then it'll have your likeness. And so then before you click anything, you click likeness. That way it's using your likeness. And then for reference, this is where you just type in who's doing good thumbnails in your niche. So, Sarah Beth Yoga, if you're a yoga teacher. You could go Sarah Beth Yoga, you could do likeness, and then generate. So I'm choosing her to kind of model. It's going to use my likeness, and we'll generate it. We'll see how long it takes here. Do 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 do. And usually it doesn't take that long. This is probably because I'm streaming and have a bajillion tabs open. There we go. It was a good looking yogi. Pants are a little bit tight for me. Pants are a little bit tight, but that was kind of the thumbnail. And so then you've got some good thumbnails. And some of these are doing okay creating an image, but then you can open it up and you can refine it. So you just use AI and you say, change my shirt. And then you wait patiently. Now you got a different shirt. Say, change the background to red. It helps better with short prompts. Like don't try to do multiple prompts at once because just like any AI, it's not perfect every time. Let's see what this does. Oh, we got a red thumbnail, right? And then you can erase stuff by just erasing it. Not going to do that right now. But yeah, it makes it pretty easy. And then so you just go to your niche and you find other thumbnails that are working. Uh, Here's me as a doctor. Here I did a yoga one. I did Tai Chi. And then the prompt for this one was make me look more spiritual. So let's say even more spiritual. Let's see what more spiritual does. It gave me an aura. That's really good. Here's me doing a sneakerhead one, school community, school, new look. Here's using Hermosi's thumbnails, bunch of different ones, right? And then you can edit them as you go, tweak them so they look like they're your own. Super useful. People don't click on your videos, they will not watch them. So you got to have good thumbnails. I know thumbnails are a pain point for lots of people. They aren't good at them, they don't look great. And so this is a quick and easy tool. It's about 19 bucks a month and totally worth it, in my opinion. So there's a link below, and if you want to get it, it's an affiliate link. So I would make a commission off that, but